everyone, my name is Shrivaths. Today we're going to prepare ivy gourd curry. In Telugu it means Dondakaya. In English it's also referred to as baby watermelon and gentleman's toast. How funny that is. Alright, let's begin with it anyways, right? Alright. Okay, so let's light up this grill first and we'll be on our way. Ensure that you set it to a medium heat level if possible. Okay, next we're going to start with the two most important ingredients for almost any Indian cuisine dish, which is oil and mustard and cumin seeds, as you can see here. So first we are going to pour the oil. Carefully. Okay, I think that's enough. Then we'll keep it here. Alright, next up is the mustard and cumin seeds. Since I have all of them mixed up here, I do not need to worry. Okay, I think that's enough. Okay, so first we're going to add the chili, and we have to make sure that it is stirred and deep fried. Alright, now you just put this here. Okay, so next off we are going to add the curry leaves and the onions together. So here we go. Then after this, we are going to stir the ingredients together. Alright, so the next ingredient after stirring all of that is the ginger garlic paste. So just add 1 spoon of it into the pan. Yeah, okay. After that, add another spoon of turmeric. Oops. Alright, now finally just half spoon of salt so that the onion cooks properly and it's alright. Alright, so half a spoon of salt and just pour it all out. Alright, the next ingredient now is the ivy gourd. Now let's add it in. Now it's time for us to mix it. Let's increase the flame a little bit. Alright, so after you're done stirring, add another half spoon of salt. Here we go. Spread it out, spread it out. Okay. And just stir it up a little bit. Okay, and then finally you add the lid, cover it with a lid and make sure it's on a slow flame and wait for 10 minutes for it to fully cook. Alright, it's been 10 minutes, so let's see what we have made. Woo! That looks cool. Alright, we are almost done to making this dish, and the final step of making this dish is by adding some coriander into the curry. So let's just garnish some, and you don't really need to stir. And yeah, that's all. Your baby watermelon. Thank you for watching.